Hello guys, welcome back to an app. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you Canva create video from images tutorial. So if you're interested, start tutorial. Now, creating a video based from images here on Canva is pretty easy. So first things first, you want to go to canva.com and just choose your appropriate option here. Now, since we are creating a video, just click on video. And from here, you go and choose the video templates here. But in this case, I'm just going to use the video landscape option. And from here, let's go and start adding whatever we want. So in this case, you go and go to your section here and basically start adding whatever we want here. Let's go and click on elements. And maybe we want to add like images here that we have. Let's go and click on see all. And you can just basically add whatever image. So for example, I want to add an image of a dog here. Just search for dog and just basically start adding them. Like for example, let's go and start with this one. So it's select this one to add this. And basically you go ahead and do whatever you want here. So expand them. So it's just basically how you usually create designs on Canva. But the only difference here is you're actually adding different images, different elements. You can even add text here if you want. And from here, if you want to add another image, you just need to make sure that you click on the add page option. Now, in here, you can go ahead and just start adding whatever image you want. Now, if you want to use your own image, you can go and click on uploads. Just drag your image here. You should be able to start using it. Now, from here, again, you can go and click on add page here and just start adding whatever image you want. So, as an example, just going to add this last image that we have here. It's filled. And from here, we just added our image. But in this case, this is quite boring here. As you can see, it's just like images going on. But the great thing about this format here, or since we've chosen the video format one, we could actually change the length for it. So in this case, you go ahead and go to your timeline here, change a few things. So you can go ahead and reduce the seconds for this one. Like for example, let's go make this 3 seconds. Let's go on the 2.6. This one, let's go and just make this around like 3.5. Now, when you hover over in between here, you have the option to add pages in between and add further images if you want. Now, if you click on the other one, which is add transition, you can go ahead and choose transitions that you want to use for this one. Like for example, we have circle wipe, color wipe, line wipe, match and move, flow, also stack, and chop. So there are going to be a lot of choices here. So for example, I'm going to choose flow, which in this case, for me, it's actually the best one. Now from here is going to start adding our transition, but sometimes the transition option might not appear, so you need to maybe add like further length to it in order for you to apply it. Let's go and choose the option for flow. Now, whether you want to use the match and move here, just kind of different because in this case you need to use a different method for that one. But let's go and click on flow. But once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on the play button here if you want to view it. And as you can see, it's going to now flow and then flow again. Now, if you want to save this, just click on share at the top right and then click on download. Just make sure that you've selected MP4 here and select all your pages. And from here, you could go ahead and just click on the option here that says download. You should start downloading your video, and once the video is downloaded, you can go and start using it for whatever presentation you want. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to an app. Thank you for watching.